Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast. I'm Liu Zi and I'm very excited to talk about Grab, a company that has transformed how we live, work and move. Grab is more than just a ride-sharing app, it's a super app that affects most every aspect of our daily life. From food delivery to digital payment, Grab has revolutionized convenience for millions of Malaysians. In this podcast, I will talk about the Grab journey, how it uses agility to stay competitive, and how it makes data-driven decisions and the challenges it faces. Let's start by looking into the story of Grab. Anthony Tan and Tan Hui Ling founded Grab in 2012 with the simple goal of making Southeast Asia transport safer and more reliable. At the time, it was known as MyTaxi, and it began as a simple taxi hailing app in Malaysia. Back then, its mission was simple: to make transport safer and more reliable. Fast forward to today, and Grab has evolved into a super app that provides rides, food delivery, grocery, digital payment, and financial service. Grab's ability to evolve and expand service demonstrates the company's agility. Its relevance to technology and agility make it an ideal choice for this podcast. Grab's vision is to not only make people's lives easier, but also to empower them by creating jobs, supporting businesses, and encouraging financial inclusion. Now let's talk about agility, which is one of Grab's biggest strengths. Agility means being flexible, quick to adapt, and always ready for change. One of the key principles of agility is interactive development, which means building, testing, and improving products in cycle. Grab follows this approach in everything it does. For example, when Grab first launched GrabFood, it wasn't the robust food delivery service we see today. Initially, it started with just a few restaurants and basic features. Over time, Grab improved GrabFood by listening to user feedback. They introduced real-time tracking, subscription plans like Grab Unlimited, and loyalty rewards such as Grab Reward Point. Grab doesn't wait to create the perfect product before launching it. Instead, it rolls out service early, gather data from real users, and make changes based on what works and what doesn't. This approach ensures they stay ahead of competitors by constantly evolving. Another core principle of agility is putting the customer at the center of every decision, and Grab excels at this. Its services are designed to solve real problems faced by its users. Let's take Grab Express as an example. This parcel delivery service was introduced when Grab noticed a gap in the market for quick, reliable, and affordable courier service. It became especially relevant during the COVID-19 pandemic when businesses and individuals needed to send packages safely. By listening to customer needs, Grab created a service that not only solved problems for users, but also opened up new earning opportunities for delivery partners. Grab also personalized user experience by analyzing data. For instance, GrabFood recommends restaurants based on your ordering habits. Now, we talk about the integration of data-driven decision-making of Grab. Data is often called the new oil, and for a company like Grab, it's a key resource. Grab collects massive amounts of data every day from its users, drivers, and partners. But what sets Grab apart is how it uses this data to make decisions that improve service, create value, and drive innovation. First is personalized user experience. Grab uses advanced data analytics to provide a personalized experience for its users. Have you noticed how Grab recommends certain restaurants on GrabFood or offer promotions tailored to your preference? That's data at work. Grab analyzes your past order, browsing behavior, and even the time of day you usually use the app to suggest options you're likely to enjoy. The personalization not only makes the user experience smoother, but also builds loyalty. When users feel that the app understands them, they're more likely to keep using it. The second is dynamic pricing and demand forecasting. One of the most visible examples of Grab data-driven approach is its dynamic pricing system. During peak hour, heavy traffic, or bad weather, you might notice that ride price go up. While this can be frustrating, it's actually a result of Grab using real-time data to balance supply and demand. If demand for rides increases in certain area, Grab's system adjusts price to encourage more drivers to head there. This ensures that users can still find rides when they need them, even during busy times. Beyond pricing, Grab also uses historical data to forecast demand. For example, during festivals like Hari Raya or Chinese New Year, Grab predicts spike in ride requests and delivery orders, allowing it to prepare in advance by incentivizing drivers and allocating resources. Furthermore, let's talk about how Grab demonstrates agility in responding to market change. In the rapid evolving tech-driven economy, staying ahead means adapting quickly to emerging trends, customer needs, and competitive pressure. Grab has excelled in this area through its ability to pivot, innovate, and remain relevant. First, Grab used to adapting to the pandemic. One of the best examples of Grab agility is its response to the COVID-19 pandemic. With lockdown and movement restrictions in place, the demand of ride-hailing service declined dramatically. Instead of panicking, Grab shifted its focus to other services like GrabFood and GrabMart. GrabFood became an essential service for delivering meals to people stuck at home, while GrabMart allowed users to shop for groceries without stepping out. Grab quickly onboarded restaurants and local businesses that had not prior experience in online deliveries, giving them a lifeline during tough times. This pivot not only kept the company afloat, but also reinforced its position as a super app that could meet a wide range of customer needs. Second is integrating emerging technologies. Another way Grab has shown agility is through its adoption of emerging technologies. For example, GrabPay, a digital payment system, was introduced in response to the growing demand for cashless transactions in Malaysia. GrabPay became a game changer by offering seamless, secure, and convenient payment options. It even expanded to include GrabPay Credit and integration with major e-wallets, further solidifying its role in driving financial inclusion. Now, we talk about challenges and lessons learned from Grab. Of course, no business journey is without its challenges. Grab has faced its share of obstacles while maintaining its agility and focus on data-driven strategy. First is regulatory challenge. One significant hurdle Grab has encountered is navigating the regulatory landscape in Malaysia. Ride-hailing services were a new concept, and government struggled to create rules that could accommodate them. Grab often faced fines, protests from traditional taxi drivers. To address this, Grab worked closely with regulators to ensure compliance and even introduced programs to help taxi drivers transition to the Grab platform. The second is driver and partner dissatisfaction. Another challenge was managing relationships with its drivers and partners. Many drivers initially struggled with the dynamic pricing system, feeling it was unfair. Grab responded by increasing transparency, offering better incentives, and creating training programs to help drivers understand how the system works. In conclusion, Grab's journey from a taxi hailing app to a super app demonstrated its commitment to agility and innovation. By adopting iterative development, focusing on customer needs, and leveraging data, Grab has transformed how millions of people in Malaysia live and work. Looking ahead, Grab is poised to embrace even more advanced agile practices such as predictive analytics and machine learning to refine its service and user experience. Sustainability will likely become a larger focus, with initiatives like expanding electric vehicle fleet and promoting eco-friendly delivery options. Grab future also include deeper financial inclusion and exploring untapped market while building resilience against challenge through strategic partnership. With commitment to staying agile and customer-focused, ensure Grab remains a leader in Malaysia's tech landscape. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and share and leave your thoughts. This is Liu Yuji signing off.